Hello guys, Lonsdor has launched the new small device KW100. It's smart and genius to help users to generate smart keys without any chip type and frequency. This is the official standard cable for KW100. As you look, the single Type-C connector is for KW100 and the 3 connectors are for power supply. You can use the power bank, your phone, and any other device to offer power. Now let's connect to the cable to the KW100 and also to our phone. Today we will test the quick generator with the key function by this 2023 CAMRY. Here are the original keys and our LT20 smart key. The LT20 smart key is auto battery because we cannot have any other keys nearby to make sure the frequency detected from the original key to be accurate. Let's go to the quick generator. Choose the quick generator with the key. Let's start. Now we get the key chip type and the frequency. Now we need to put the LT20 smart key to the card slot. The generation is successful. Now we will use our K518 Pro to program the key to this card. Now we'll test the remote of this key. Test the smart function of this key. We need to take out the original key out. That's everything about this video. Thanks for watching.